Welcome to the Creating a New Event tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to create a new event within the Log tab.
An event is the location where sampling data is recorded for one point in time. An event is created in the Log tab from Protocols. Let's see how it's done.
To create an event, click New. You will choose your protocols based on a protocol you have already predefined. See the protocol tutorial for more information. Create a form and a new event will be created. Highlight the event and select Edit to open the event.
Click the Edit Form Data button to access the form information window. In this window, you can edit the event date, add observers and recorders, or notes specific to that event, such as current impacts, rainfall, land use, or overall visual observations. Event contacts can also be added and saved for future use in the Contact Personnel Manager. For more information, see the Contact Manager tutorial. If the content you entered in the Form Information window only applies to one tab in the event, then select Apply. If it applies to all tabs in the event, select Apply All. Your event is now ready for field data input.
A tabular mode is also available for inputting historical data. To access the tabular mode, click on the Tabular View button. This is where you'll be able to manually input data. By default, the event date will be the date the event was created, so don't forget to correct the date in the Form Information window. The Field Input tutorial and Tabular Input tutorial will walk you through how to input data for each mode.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.